Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nur Hasida. Today I would like to presenting to you all about business model canvas for Hong Leong Bank. Okay, before I start, how are you feeling today? I hope you all are doing fine at this period. Okay, now I would like to introduce to you all my team. Our team is first is Muhammad Shazwadi bin Ismail. Second is Adriana Shazwani. Third is Aina Iliani. Then myself and also Damia Emir. Okay, next is for table of content. First, we will present about executive summary. 2 to 3 about the company background. And then number 4 is problem statements. Number 5 is BMC template. And then BMC 9 elements 7 to 28. And then lastly, we discuss about the conclusion.
This report is produced to briefly describe the beginning of Hong Leong Bank Berhad as well as the vision and the mission of the company. In addition, this report will also elaborate on the 9 elements of Hong Leong Bank Berhad business model canvas, the method that has been used to obtain information about Hong Leong Bank is through a study from the official website of the company and also a search through the Google platform. It's hoped that the description and explanation that have been made through the Hong Leong Bank report can broaden the reader understanding of Hong Leong Bank Berhad.
Okay, we move to company background. Company background is Leong Bank Berhad is a financial services company based in Malaysia. We present in Singapore, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Cambodia, and China. The bank is technology focused on the development of financial capabilities to serve its clients across the 5 geographies. Hong Leong Bank Berhad uh, is listed on Bursa Malaysia and form parts of the Hong Leong groups. Headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, the bank has a strong Malaysia entrepreneurship heritage. Hong Leong Bank was originally incorporated as Kuala Mortgage and Remittance Company in 1995 in Kuching, Sarawak, and later as Kuala Bank Limited in 1934. It is the oldest local franchise in Malaysia. Furthermore, Kuala Bank Berhad was acquired by the MUI Group in May 1982 and renamed Malayan United Bank Berhad on 2 February 1983. In 1989, it was renamed as MUI Bank under the MUI Bank banner. It grew from 11 to 35 branches nationwide. The bank was listed on the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, now on the main market of Bursa Malaysia on 17 October 1994, and since then has grown by leaps and bounds. Today, the bank, Hong Leong Bank Berhad, is the 50th largest banking group by asset with over RM 2020 billion in asset as 30 June 2022. Okay, now we go to vision and mission on the Hong Leong Bank Group Berhad. Our vision is to be an integrated financial service group that constantly meets our credit needs, and our mission is to become a leader in the financial service industry, a leader in each of the market that we operate in.
Okay, so now we see about the problem statement. The challenge of dealing with other competing banks. And then another problem statement is the challenge of expanding public awareness of the latest information from Hong Leong Bank. Third is the challenge of to find out the problems faced by society related to financial management. And then another problem statement is the challenge of the getting closer to the community. And then the last but not is challenge in developing a network of business contact during the COVID-19 pandemic period.
So here are the BMC elements: value propositions, key partners, key activities, key resources, customer relationships, customer segments, channels, cost structure, and the last is revenue streams.
For the value proposition of Hong Leong banks, as we know, many things done by the Hong Leong banks for the convenience their customer. For examples, we have there are compliance of frame network. Compliance framework is in the place to guide compliance standard and requirement, as well as role, responsibility, process, and practice governing the day-to-day operation of the bank. For the example, Hong Leong Bank was practiced for the general anti-money laundering policy practice and the procedure. Hong Leong Banks provide anti-money laundering training to relevant employees that include identification and reporting of transactions that must be reported to government authorities. Example of the different form of money laundering involving the financial product and service, internal policies to prevent money laundering. Hong Leong Bank also have a legal and regulatory compliance program that includes a designated officer that is responsible for coordinating and overseeing the money laundering network. Hong Leong Bank also have a promoting a culture of compliance. This is ensured to higher standard of integrity and professionalism by providing employees with regular compliance training, promoting a culture of compliance. Uh, Hong Leong Bank will also implemented process for the identification of those customer on whose behalf it maintain or operate account or conduct transaction. Hong Leong also have a process to review and where appropriate update customer information relating to high risk client information. Hong Leong also have a prevention of financial crime. Bank has established a dedicated financial crime governance committee in January 2020. This committee was strive for safeguard the bank from being a conduct for financial crime procedures. Uh, Hong Leong Bank have a risk-based assessment of its customer base and their transaction. Hong Leong also have a policy or practice for the identification and reporting of transactions that are required to be reported. Uh, Hong Leong always have a monitoring program for unusual and potentially suspicious activities that cover fund transfer and monetary instruments such as a traveler's check, money order, and etc. For the another part is whistleblowing policy. This is a contact information published on Hong Leong Bank's Berhad website as when channeled by whistleblower out to the bank in order to safeguard the bank integrity, encourage all employee, business, associate, and customers to raise any concern about improper conduct.
And then we go to the key partners. For the key partners, first we talk about credit guarantee cooperation. Number 2 is the Snaptrack. Number 3 is IBM Watson. And lastly is the Emirates Skyward. Okay, so for the CGS or Credit Guarantee Corporation Scheme, what they do is to provide local small and medium enterprise (SME) with up to 200 million loan facilities. And then for the Snaptruck, Malaysian digital sharp logistics service startup, what they offer uh, to them is to offer on demand logistics solution for its SME customer, and then to provide productivity and keep operating costs down to stay competitive. And then for the third one is the IBM Watson. IBM Watson is the first open cognitive technology platform. It helps professionals do better job and can solve important challenge. And then under that is function as online customer self-service for 24 hours. And then the last is Emirates Skyward. What they do is to strategy to accelerate the growth of the company for a growing of Malaysian travel segment and add more value rewards.
Hi, I'm Adriana Shazwani. I would like to explain about the other two elements. They are key activities and key resources. For key activity, there are four key activities. The first one is online banking platform. It consists of individuals' finance, check bank balance at any time, pay bills and transfer money to other accounts, check bank statement, check on any investments that are linked to account. The second one is Hong Leong Connect First. It was Hong Leong Bank Berhad product. It consists of business finance, check real-time accounts balance, view and download recent and past transaction, track the status of inward and outward cross-border payments with FTT tracker. The third one is Hong Leong Connect Biz. It was the second product of Hong Leong Bank Berhad. It consists of business finance, account management to check company latest account information, check management to manage check on company status check, information online and view check status, e-trade inquiry to access company's latest trade transaction and facilities online. The fourth or the last one is personal banking. It consists of deposit, debit or credit cards, insurance, HLB Collect, LHB Pocket Connect, Earth Hero, promotion and property auction listing. Next is key resources. For the key resources, they have four key resources. The first one is physical resources or building. Hong Leong Bank Berhad had 329 branches. The HQ or headquarters was located in Malaysia. Hong Leong Bank Berhad also have overseas branches such as Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Vietnam, Cambodia, United States and Australia. The second one is human or employees. There are 7,933 employees that working in Hong Leong Bank Berhad. The third one is intellectual, or we can call it as brand or patents. Hong Leong Bank Berhad had two popular products. The first product is Connect First and the second one is the Connect Biz. The last but not least was financials. Hong Leong Bank Berhad as commercial banks borrow from the Federal Reserve System (FRS) to meet reserve requirements.
My name is Damia Ime binti Muhammad Arif Ime, and today I'm going to present about customer relationship from Hong Leong Bank Berhad. To tighten the relationship between customers and Hong Leong Berhad offer personal or loan financing that offer flat interest and profit rates from 5% per annum, and it can also reset and clear outstanding credit balance from 5.25% per annum, and also offers low financing rates from 3.60% per annum. HLB card offers. For HLB card offers, it offers more savings when you use HLB card, and it comes with My Debit promotion that can win prizes and get discounts, and they can also enjoy exclusive deals when shop online. For fixed deposit I, customer can enjoy 2.40% per annum for 36 months or 24 months, and customer can also enjoy fixed deposit with current or saving account up to 2.90% per annum for 12 months. For HLB car loan, customer can enjoy multiple investment power. It's up to 2.5-year trading limit by pledging fixed deposit or cash, and also up to 1.5-year trading limit by pledging quotes, shares or unit trust. Customer can also enjoy flexible repayment, that means interest on outstanding balance in capitalized on a monthly basis, and also customer can enjoy quick cash access. It means cash withdrawal available upon 24 hours notification. And lastly, customer can enjoy hassle-free settlement. That means save your time by ensuring prompt trade settlement. Hong Leong Bank also launched Open a Business Current Account I. This offers quick onboarding, fast opening with minimum document needed, and create your business internet banking within minutes. It has low initial deposit with only RM500 and it cost saving and earn up to 420 monthly rebates from Power Small Medium Enterprise account. Hong Leong Bank also launched HL Connect First, that trade document upload features. It comes with features where you can upload your trade documents for trade transaction digitally via HL Connect First, and it confirms securely, conveniently and quickly, and it is for all HL Connect First trade customer who require trade financing facilities. Lastly, Hong Leong Bank launched HLB Merchant that gives 0% on debit card transaction made with your HLB terminal. This HLB Merchant was launched by Hong Leong Bank because they believe that going cashless is safer for their customers. And this HLB Merchant is for all contactless payment features enabled and connectivity via 4G, SIM or Wi-Fi, support QR payment with front and rear camera, accept all cards and major e-wallet payment, no terminal rental and setup fees, auto settlement for e-wallet payment, lightweight and mobile, user-friendly interface and over-the-air troubleshootings.
For the customer segment of Hong Leong Bank, as we know, Hong Leong Bank Berhad is a leading Malaysian financial service institution which provide a wide range of products, service and innovative financial solution in Malaysia across the region. For the customers, for the customer segment in Hong Leong Bank, we have several part, which is so many. The part of many things have provide in a Hong Leong Bank. As we, for the example, we have individual, local, principal business activity include providing banking service and financial product to individuals, so that they can fulfill their needs for property and auto financing, personal loan financing for their periodic household needs, payment product to facilitate everyday spend, share financing, investment and insurance to provide option to grow and manage their wealth, as well as protect wealth for retirement and or the next generation, as well as deposit and remittance product and service to individuals and small business for their liquidity saving and payment needs. Hong Leong Bank also target for the international across of the region. Hong Leong Bank extensive branch network extend beyond Malaysian borders, with one branch each in Labuan, offshore, Singapore and Hong Kong respectively. 4 branches in Vietnam and 7 branches in Cambodia, as well as full service call center and more than 1,000 sales service terminals. Wealth management service are offered through branches in Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. In addition to various priority banking center located through Malaysia and one in Singapore, which was change and numerous development in the banking industry and financial landscape as a whole. There is a need to ensure that they can continue to stay ahead of their customers' financial needs and ambitions, so they can provide the right solution to on the right time. Whole Loan Bank also target for the business and corporate banking. Principal business activities include the provision of banking solution to small, medium enterprise, commercial, and corporate client, such as deposit and loan service covering business current account, liquidity management, auto sweep, as well as fixed deposit. Financing option available range from asset acquisition, working capital, business expansion, and business automation. Hong Leong Bank also specialize in the provision of transaction banking solution through cash management, corporate internet banking platform, trade financing and service, and merchant payment solution. Hong Leong Bank also Holium Bank also funded in a small medium enterprise. For the examples, they are funded in solar financing, invest in solar power, which SLM Holium Bank solar financing, which are production and operational costs on the rise. Business are now seeking way to be more cost efficient and exploring avenues that give a significant saving while maintaining optimum productivity. Now, Hong Leong banks are looking forward for the green energy and reduce electricity consumption and saving on energy bills by adopting the eco-friendly usage the solar panels. Hong Leong Bank also give some of expansion for the business cash loan, giving much more benefit as other bank institution for example, term loan for the working capital. A loan amount can be the for highest rents and loan tenure up to 5 to 10 years for all this tenure.
Okay, now is channel part. Channel part is Hong Leong Bank is invest in alternate channel of e-banking to complete its services offered through its 186 branches throughout Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Singapore. The bank is committed to serve its customer anytime, everywhere, by step up to be more relevant to change customer lifestyle and needs. Today, Hong Leong Bank launched its new Hong Leong Online, the new integrated financial portal of the bank. The new Hong Leong Bank has been refreshed with more services and functionalities, and it delivers higher performance and it's reliable and more secure for customers. Furthermore, the new Hong Leong Online of e-banking services that also include phone banking, mobile banking, e-payment services such as interbank GIRO, e-debit, full bank payments, online debit service, and cross-border ATM in Thailand, Singapore, and Indonesia. So, other than that, Hong Leong Bank also offer this service to all its customers. Customer can log into the Hong Leong Bank website or can visit at any Hong Leong Bank branches or can call Hong Leong Bank Center.
Okay, now we talk about the cost structure. Okay, so production and management, distribution and infrastructure, risk management and compliance costs, and customer service, and also the staff employee wages. Then technology development, IT operation and maintenance, optimize banking channel, grow revenue, improvement of market perception for funding. And then lastly is for marketing, involve with the community, involve in a social platform, cooperatively market with partners, and strong content marketing such as website, infographic, and blog posts.
For the last element of business model canvas is revenue streams. For Hong Leong revenue streams, Hong Leong Bank has been able to make a profit through a number of ongoing activities such as renting company buildings, providing financial loans, selling company assets, engaging in investments with other companies, as well as accepting rates charged to customers when engaging with companies' offers.
In conclusion, although Hong Leong Bank Berhad is facing challenge as stated, Hong Leong Bank still maintains the relationship between its partners, customers, and keeps abreast of the development of its competitors. In addition, Hong Leong Bank Berhad also takes care of its company assets as well as prioritize the care of sources of income to enhance or maintain the company's development or journey in the future. It is hoped that by identifying the importance of the use of products, partners, assets, and so on, can continue the excellence of Hong Leong Bank Berhad in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.